The issues of pharmaceuticals in the environment or the potential for nanomaterials to be in the environment is of tremendous interest, I think, not only to scientists like myself, but the general public as well, since many pharmaceuticals are taken by the population as a whole, and we find that many of these things end up out in the environment. We wonder whether they end up in aquatic organisms and whether that affects the aquatic organism population, but we also wonder if they end up in our drinking water systems or if they bioaccumulate in some of the things that we're eating, like the fish species that are out in the lake. We often use fish as a model organism to tell us how some of these chemicals might be affecting human populations as well. We look at several classes of pharmaceuticals, including some of the ones that are associated with food products like caffeine and its byproducts, some of the antibiotics that we take directly and also that we use in our lotions, our hand soaps, and other medications. We're also looking at the psychopharmaceuticals, things used for depression and anxiety and other things. But there are a whole host of other pharmaceuticals that are out in the aquatic environment. I think Milwaukee, and particularly the Great Lakes Water Institute, has been a great location for my research projects, particularly because we're next to one of the larger freshwater bodies found in the world. In Lake Michigan, we collect water samples, and then we also do some sampling for sediments out in the lake. In our last sampling attempt, we went and sent out divers to go and collect some of our sediments from the bottom, and then also some of the mussels, the zebra mussels and the quagga mussels that are found on the bottom of the lake, so that we can extract those and see what the content of pharmaceuticals is in the body of the mussels. Our research could have a huge impact on how we protect our populations of freshwater organisms in Wisconsin and other places. If we find that some of the pharmaceuticals or nanomaterials are particularly dangerous or are causing an impact already on our aquatic populations, it could have an impact on our fisheries and the general ability of the public to enjoy some of the wildlife that's out there, because it would disappear.